Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a food-saving wizard that is about to cut your grocery waste in half, the Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine. If you are tired of throwing out wilted produce or freezer-burned meats, this one is your ticket to fresh meals for months. Picture sealing up bulk buys of chicken or cheese so they stay juicy, or portioning out marinated veggies for the week without spoilage, all with a machine that works fast and clean. No more leaky bags or hand-cranking pumps. This pro-grade sealer makes meal prep smart and sustainable. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Vakumar Vacuum Sealer is a must for any kitchen. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us break down the features of this sealing star. The Vakumar Vacuum Sealer is compact at 13.5 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 2.8 inches tall, weighing about 3 pounds, so it fits on counters or in cabinets easily. It has a sleek black design with a clear lid and digital controls. The heart is the vacuum pump that reaches minus 24 kilopascals in 10 seconds for strong suction, sealing bags up to 8 millimeters thick. It has 4 modes: normal for dry foods like snacks, gentle for delicate items like bread, pulse for manual control, and a built-in roll cutter for custom sizes. The sealing bar is 10 inches long, double element for extra strong seals that hold up to boiling or freezing. It includes a starter kit with 10 bags, a roll, and hose for jars, plus a 1-year warranty. The removable drip tray catches moisture, and it runs on standard 110 volts with a low 130 watt draw. Price is around $50, and incredible value for the power. Okay, now for the real talk. Pros and cons after sealing meats, veggies, and more. Pros first. Number 1, the strong vacuum extends food life up to 5 times, saving money fast. Number 2, the double element seal is tough. No leaks in the freezer or sous-vide. Number 3, pulse mode gives control for soft foods. Number 4, the built-in cutter makes custom bags easy. Number 5, compact size stores anywhere. Number 6, the drip tray keeps it clean. Overall, it is a budget pro that works like higher-end models. Now cons, because balance is key. 1, the $50 price is great, but bags add up. 2, it is louder than handheld during vacuum. 3, no chamber for liquids, so use moist mode carefully. 4, the roll holder is basic. 5, 3 pounds is light but tips if bumped. 6, no jar attachments included. But here's the truth, the pros make it a winner for most. If you buy in bulk or meal prep weekly and want reliable seals on a budget, this fits perfectly. Not for industrial use, but for home saving, it is a yes. So my recommendation, snagged the Vakumar Vacuum Sealer Machine today. It turns waste into wins and your kitchen into a saver. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your fridge will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more saving hacks and click the link to support us. What are you sealing first? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.